Oh yo, what's good guys? This is your boy Praise and Ask Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly because of the suitcase which is making noise. But yeah guys, basically what's happening is we hitting the road, and you know, I know it's a short notice, and I didn't give you like a proper update, you feel me? But basically what's gonna be happening today is we're gonna be going back to South, you feel me? I feel like Zim is not for the weak ones. I gave up. Here's my suitcase, and today we're gonna be using a bus, you feel me? So travel with me from Zimbabwe to South Africa by bus. I'm gonna show you everything guys, and I'm gonna share the whole experience with you guys, and everything man that you wanna see from Harare, Zimbabwe to South Africa by bus. So go with me guys. If it's the first time here, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. My name is Praise Makara, and I'm a vlogger, and I do a lot of content. So let's go together. Let's get it. So yeah, so those who follow me, one of the I don't use a large suitcase when relocating or when going to another country. So yeah, now I'm out in the hood, going to the road to get a taxi. You know, I'm far away to in drive, but I'm not gonna do so because it takes time. Feel me? It takes time, and I feel like Kombi is faster than in drive. Feel me? So let's go and take Kombi, because Kombi no pinrabila. This time the congestion and the peak hour, so Kombi is very faster to to arrive at by. Oyo, mairase. Mushkairo anas. Amo boots and video ram. Mairase. Abana sema mix. So I guess tashika pa road but no pirira. And feel me? Yeah. Do bado kuira bana. So now down mira for Kombi. You know, to went out town. Feel me? And do what up. Oh, that's. Anyways, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on giving you more and more updates. Yeah, let's go together to South. Let's get it. So guys, right now tapping at downtown, and I'm walking to the road port. You feel me? But guys, the fun thing is I don't think I want to ticket bus rush. I just wanna go and check with the bus load. Yo, the lighting is becoming bad here. But yeah, I just wanna go and check with the bus load, and then I don't want to take a ticket again. Anyways, let's go. So yeah, this is the streets of of Harare, Zimbabwe. I think it's around what do you call it? Sorry, around past 6 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So now we're walking to the road port. We're walking to the road port right now. I don't even know when last did I use a bus. I don't even remember though. But yeah, let's go and see what's popping. So guys, out here in Eastgate Market. And guys, I just realized that I didn't buy some Crocs, which means makumbo wangu achazvimba, and I bought some AirPods. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we almost like 5 minutes away from the road port. It was very very far, and I couldn't take in drive because there was traffic. I was going to end up doing like 3 hours in traffic. You feel me? So yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Oh, Angry Lion is expanding. Yeah, it's expanding nationwide. Let's get it. Guys, we're at the road port right now. So guys, let's go by road port, and let's see what we're gonna do right now. Feel me? And let's check him. Anyways, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on giving you more and more updates. Lemon and Rutsaka, Askubaya. Lemon and Rutsaka. So guys, Madasi. So guys, I don't even know why I'm not command kids or to go and get what I will be or that. Tagumbuni kids will go there. Anyways, guys, stay tuned and I'm gonna keep on giving you more and more updates. Feel me? We out here you see what we're going with? It's job bigger. From me say. So guys, this job is. So we don't know. We just talk. Oh sorry. So you want to open an account katika? Yeah. Kwani pa dingira? Kwani? So guys, open an bus. Johannesburg. So guys, now feel me? Yeah. Now bad roti buy man. Oh. I don't know grapes sir. I don't know grapes. So guys, we're going right now. Huh? What? Okay. Okay. So I guess tapina mbaz man, and then Chaba does the next Simuka. I will give you updates and I Simuka. Make sure you stay tuned.
Another love story. Two broken hearts can become one. You saved my life. A song for you from the heart. Before I walk you down the aisle. Let's get it.
Recess. Time for recess. So guys, first recess. Yo. Oh. So guys, this is our first recess. Let's go. See. This is from Vuma. I'm sure my children don't know. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to pee. I'm not that hungry though because Baba didn't can feel me. So let's just go and pee. Yeah, so here's the chicken salad. And we're out here in Vuma, where there's the best chicken slice in Zimbabwe. Feel me? So yeah, let's go pee. So guys, yeah. Duban Bajuna Bana. Vuma, and this is the bus that we're using. VK Logistics. Now I'm shut up talking about today disappointed me to Todaro. Imagine we had to wait. Imagine we had to wait Pambuzi for about an hour. Imagine pass through move, and I was so pissed off. Right now my garanga knows Growaza guys, and I don't even know could but yeah guys, that's why I would like to fly this one into South Africa, but this time I have to go on a bus due to some reasons. You feel me? Anyways, this is where we are at Chivu. Hope you guys can see clearly. And I don't think I don't feel like eating anything. Let me just go and check can I put a small queue and then maybe I'll just buy, a drink or something. But yeah, I don't wanna eat anything. Because one go is a small recess, maybe they're gonna stop mashing again. So yeah, let's go and check. But I'm not hungry though. It's just pressure. Let's go. Talk to this. Talk to this. Yo. Shut down. Talk to this. Yes, let's go back in the bus. Here's our bus. But I think let me just show you though around. Feel me? Let me just show you around. So yeah, this is Chivu. Chicken. This is how it looks like. There's a garage there. And there's chicken slice, POS bengi, chicken in down there, peas and stuff. Yeah, this is our bus. we don't have much time for doing all this, so let's go back in the bus and see what's happening. Oh, sorry. Oh, let's go back. So guys, today smoke. Bus rakuda smoke pa Chief. Then we're gonna continue to watch. Unfortunately, that's per window, so I'm not able to vlog much for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna try by all means to be giving you the vlog, even though if it's night, you feel me. But yeah, I'm gonna try on giving you, feel me. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get it. Aí, G. Toma. So guys, tapinda mu Jones mu Bedbridge rank. So the time is that's the time 5 to you know, and yeah, this is where we are. So Tamiro close a match, so I'll be giving you some updates, feel me. And yeah, don't Bedbridge rank, don't Bedbridge rank. So I will close a match. So guys, Masunga dambo mara kuno. So I just got my SIM card, you feel me? Yeah. There's a person who knows things from my line. Yeah, it's person who need poor service on my line. Yo. That's 10 days ago. I better out to pop it, so don't use this transport. Such as the bus. People that don't communicate, you know, which put 10 days ago, you from a minute. Yo. Septic.
Of yours. Inini bhazi patakwira pa muchitaura nesu ndafara ndakaona customer care yenyu chaiyo muchitoti vabereki tokutendai nekuti tsigira tisati tasimuka anditika mukatotifambai zvakanaka ndazvifarira chaizvo gogo. Tafamba gogo, inini chinhu chandibhonda chekuti volume toda kuzorora, tikuda kuenda, I'm traveling to South Africa, then I'll be back about tomorrow or Sunday. Aiwa, icho chirikurira icho gogo, ifone munhu iyo zvake customer. Saka isu nyangu ndakuti alright, pamusoro imbodzimai ifone. Saka inini ndati tatidzora volume handiti aramba obva atowedzera volume, asikatoti tinzwawo zvatotaura atikumbura atambotidzima dzora volume aramba. Then tasvika kwete ka 1 gogo yeredhiyo gogo, yeredhiyo chacho renga chiridzwa full blast utange mbawa handiti zvisiri standard yevhiki. Kana vhiki ida kumentera sadhisenge yenyu ima matanga nayo muchiti taura nesu yakanaka. Then ndobva ndaenda inini ndaitoenda kwari ndikati ona chi handiti isusu tikanzi aiwa kana musingaderegedzai kuuya nemari dzenyu kumakastoma ako. How can you say that gogo? Kumunhu ari kuuya nemari zvekugara kumukuku kwevanhu zvine basa regogo. Isu tirisaru hanzi mukutogara kumukuku chichinoshamisira kwamuri. Mukuku kunogara vanhu kuSouth Africa gogo, dzimba dzedze dzakangwakwa nemarata gogo. Vanhu vandi ndo vanongachigara South Africa vachishanda ikoko kana chiuya.
So guys, now takunanga mboda. this bus service achona yo amawani taona ngamboda so yeah, stay tuned. So guys, tashuka mbed bridge as you can see. So this is the border post. Tashuka border. So yeah, ndo baboda pana. Pamene mchidza baboda it's not something so ndo vanhu vachona pana kutopinda pagate so ndo watotisa mapassport nini ndo mboda machona so yeah, ndo mboda umo ndo maofisi matodinda machona imomo ndo maofisi matodinda umo I think ndo mopinda mwita South Africa ndo masoja nokubata kana makuchamba border. So now takunodinza mapassports edu takunodinza mapassport and then tawatacrossa South African side as you can see takwenda mapassport control wanda kuburuka atora oyo ndo pakwesherwa mota ndo pakwesherwa atosijaira exactly atojaira zvokukwachira vanhu izvozvo hanzi hai guys takunostemba out tozobaya so takunodinda mapassport edu takunodinda mapassport so ndo mapassport controls yeah takunostemba ku South African side man takunostemba South African side so bhazi rakuloda munza mabiwa foni munomu munza mashaka foni munomu saka takunostemba ku South African side tapedza zvekuno passports. So yeah, this is the whole process across the border from Zimbabwe to South Africa. You feel me? So I'm gonna show you on the bridge, and I'm gonna show you as well contact South African side. So stay tuned and go with me. So guys, now takunopinda bridge now. Right now takunopinda bridge. Takubuda border. Shero vanozojamba sei. Ora waita boja mama. So guys, ndo Limpopo ndo bani bachijamba kwa boda nevani papa vachipinda nemvuro abona amadzenyi ndo vazopinda napo nemvure papa asi makarwe ramo yeah, people vanoriska man vanoriska ndo vanopinda namo mvure momo momo ona ndo unopinda nawo nemvure momo nyasa dongotora passport ya 120 chete mona mune tunzira turimo marodzi nene vanokrosa namo mese momo imvura yegego ndo bed bridge inoganda Zimbabwe neSouth Africa. So guys, ndo time zatacrossa borders tasvika panapa na 5 am tadilewa kumana muzviona yeah, pipe takunostemba manje going to stamp inside South takunostemba South Saka tapedza kutendisa. Tara kupinda manje mubhazi tikontinue nerwendo. Ya, sina pressure.
Uzifila.
Saka ratenga vati. Manaka, you won't believe it. Tashkabana bana 5. And right now it's around 10 a.m. Tashkabana bana 5 a.m. It's around 10 a.m. So basically lots of being over banapa. Feel me? And yeah, we're just finishing the process. You good to bus and stuff. One good to bus, and then yes, at the border. Unfortunately, the banapa have to record, so that's why I was not vlogging for you guys. But yeah, we're about to leave. Kana on a bit of a bus. We're about to take off, and then I don't even know Titoshkangwai. So make sure you stay tuned. You watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more and more vlogs. Feel me? Yo, this was the most hectiest journey. I don't even know, but what I know is this is my last time Shanza bus. I don't want to use it again because I'm a one. Unokuwara unozoona kuti zviri nandenda shanza ndege because mari yaunongowacha road, mari yawashandisa uzoona kuti mari yangochiseva hapana, wangoseva maybe 500 rand, which was the difference nendege. Pamwe bhazi ranachinzi 1000, pamwe ndege yanzi 1 point something. Feel me? So I would advise you to use ndege, habhazi rorwadza. Anyways, taurosimuka panapa and tipamesina panapa. Oh, company one around here. And yeah, the other people vakagara kwavo varikutoita inspection and stuff nene. Feel me? And then you can see them down there, they're doing inspection. The guards and nene. Varuvura my bags, negotiate just no pizza. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on giving you more updates. Let's get it.
Another love story. Two broken hearts can become one. You saved my life. A song for you from the heart. Before I walk you down the aisle. Let's get it. Fine lady, you make me feel so fine. Baby, you're the light, you saved my life. I want you to be my wifey. Walking down the aisle, feeling spicy. My ride or die, my future wife. Stand with Sam, deep I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love. It is easy for no winner. It is easy to winner. Stand with Sam, Taliwan. This is wrong, only wrong. The very wrong.
Oyo, 1 2. So guys, tasvika pa first stop here in South Africa. It's called Hans Zebedela, I don't know. But yeah, this is our first stop. So we're going inside there to grab some food and then we carry on with the journey. So let's get it. So tired. Imagine going for 2 days without eating. That's crazy. Let's go and use the bathroom. Feel me? So this is the food down there. Let's use the bath first. Let's go use the bath first, and then we come back and use the and buy some food. Let's get it. So guys, let's place some order here to KFC and see what we're gonna order. So yeah, stay tuned. Finally, after 2 straight days no eating, I'm so tired. So tired. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Ordering something to eat, and then we continue. I think we're about like 250 kilometers away from Joburg now, which means I'm like 2 hours. Hectic. So guys, I have to place an order. Need tank crunch box, need drink. I don't even know. Yeah. And we're waiting for it. We're waiting for our order right now. So make sure stay tuned. I'm so tired today. I'm so tired in anger. These guys wanted a date. They did us dirty. These guys were buzzing. I'm not gonna use this bus never ever again. Like, I'm never going to use this bus again. In fact, I don't even go to a bus again because they did us dirty. Anyways, stay tuned.
So fine, baby, you're the light, you saved my life. I want you to be my wifey. Walking down the aisle from this YC. My ride or die, my future wife. Stand with Sam.
I just wanna fall in love. Inclusive una winner. Inclusive to winner. Stand with Sam, Taliban. This is wrong, mume wangu. Na berera. I just wanna fall in love. Inclusive una winner. Inclusive to winner. Stand with Sam, Taliban. This is wrong, mume wangu. Na berera.
Talking the boys.
Tasika. Tadoro ka check-in kacho. So that check-in. CBD, mom. Yo. Joburg on before I feel safe. I'm going to say. Sorry, guys. Let's go. Okay. Sorry. Oh. If I put my card there, the light will automatically turn on. So yeah guys, welcome to my new house. So guys, firstly, look at the view. Look at the view. We got Johannesburg view down here. Even here. Oh, as you can see, we have Johannesburg view from this window. Yeah. This is our view here. As you can see. Okay, where am I now? Okay. But yeah, this is the view. Okay, let me close the window. Okay, we come here. We got a nice portrait. We got a nice television here. I think it's for YouTube, and we got a nice stadium here in it. And then here we got the place to put your documents, your bag, your money. There's a place for monarch. There's a small bucket, a place to put your clothes. And yeah, this is a place to put your card. If you put your card here, the light will automatically turn on. I didn't know that. Something that I started knowing today. But I've checked into the hotel before though. So yeah, this is the bathroom. I think the light is here. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, so here we got the shower. Feel me? Is it a soap? Well, I don't have a soap. Oh, okay. And then here we got the chamber, of course. And yeah, this one. Here's a man. Here's the dude. Okay, so guys, one thing that I want to do right now before doing anything is I want to order for some food. Pedro's obvious, and then they're going to deliver it at the door. What they're saying, the hotel is not outside. I mean, outside of the hotel is not safe to go in and out. You feel me? So I want to order some food online and then take a shower and sleep. I want to sleep because I have to check out tomorrow at 10. You feel me? Yeah, and then go somewhere. You're gonna see and know where I'm going after tomorrow. So today, let's just sleep and take a quick nap. Since we arrived late in Anyways, yeah, this is the stadium for today. And yeah, let me order some food. Anyways, guys, I beg guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If you have enjoyed the vlog, just make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe for more and more content. You feel me? If it's over seven, so I can't subscribe. But if you have watched the video to the end, write down in the comment section W hotel, and then I will know that you've watched the video to the end. You feel me? Anyways, do what you're doing based on what I'm doing, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing based. My name is Chris Makara. Yo guys, it was a really bad experience traveling with the bus. My drivers are rafu, everything. The bus was not just not wrong, but I'll give you a short time. You feel me? I'm very tired. Thank you for watching to the end. On time.